these are the things that we need to make a googly eye at home. So a hole puncher, in case you don't have a hole puncher, it's absolutely fine. Fevicol, scissors, an empty tablet strip, then a black chart or black paper, and a white chart for the backing. And in case you don't have a black chart or a black paper, you can use pepper. In case you don't have or you don't want to use pepper, you can use black bindis if you have. In case you don't have either of them, you could use a white paper, use a pencil or a marker to make a circle, and then cut it out with the scissors. First we need to pull up the back covers and then straighten out any dents that are there.